house in that old 24 by 24. A dream was born, just a hammer and the floor. Daddy and me, we ranch under the moon, building classics to the whistle of a lonesome tune. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Rails paid the bills, but the shop fed the soul. We worked long nights to make the dream whole. From that little backyard to a kingdom of chrome, we built it together, turned iron to home. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Under the lights, the engines roar, burnout spinning, always wanting more. YouTube cheers from my family, so true, living our best life. Every day feels new. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in. Laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in. Laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year.
That one had a stick in it. Welcome back, everybody. Jonathan stopped by. You know,
I didn't do my live one.
Parked Up Garage. He stopped by today. And he got Steven's Flex charged, the AC charged on it while I put the tires on the XP. I imagine Dad recorded his oil change on the XP. But if somebody's wanting to buy the XP, which we have a few people that might be interested, first things first, we got to fix the exhaust. We kind of was fooling around on it, and we did a catalytic converter on it, and that's doing fantastic. But in the same token, it's real loud. All right, hit it. Get the key in. We got ourselves a race car. So, if somebody's wanting it, they really don't want it this loud. So, I'm going to build my own exhaust again.
You probably got who I'm looking for. Take the marks off like this. Actually,
fought, she'll hum so soft, she'll steal your heart, quiet as a breeze. When the whispers start, so soft, she'll steal your heart, quiet as a breeze. When the whispers start.
All right, everybody, this is sound reduction on the 2006 Scion XB. There you go. Can't even hear it now. That's a baby termite. Lotus, I know that wasn't working on the Camaro, but we got to do what we got to do. Thank y'all.